Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to replace values in Excel. So I want to replace the values for the variable developed. So I'm going to select this column named developed, and as you can see, there's no values here, and only this value here. So for all the missing values, I want to replace them with 0. So let's click on find and select and go to replace, and go to more option, and instead of search by rows, we search by columns, and then find nothing, meaning that there's no value, and replace with 0. And now you click replace all, so it's all been changed. So all the values have been changed into 0. So now we are done. Thanks for watching.